Hello, my name is Marshall Nelson, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to open up my search bar here. It auto-filled it, so we're just going to click on that, launch it. If you haven't logged in before, it will ask you to sign in. It's just, you create an account, it's just your email and whatever password you want to do. Alright, so we're on this page here. We're going to call my friend Jenna. So I'm going to go to the calls section, type a name. There we go, Jenna K. Duhall. We're going to call her. And here we are, we're on the phone with Jenna. Jenna, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
I am good. I'm just demonstrating how to use Teams. I accidentally left my camera off. As y'all can see, it's very easy to switch between having the camera on and off. You just click on the camera button, you can mute yourself. It's very easy. So Jenna, have you used Teams a good bit before?
Yeah, for a lot of different school organizations.
Nice. Do you find it's a good platform?
Yeah, I definitely think so. It's very convenient.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Jenna. I'll see you sometime soon.
You're welcome.
So whenever we're done with the call, you just hit the leave button. And that's it. That's how to use Microsoft Teams. Thank y'all.